I've made thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts, and I want to show you how you can do the exact same thing. But first, forget all the myths you've heard from other creators. You don't need some secret hack, you don't need an old channel, and you definitely don't need to stress about niches right now. When I launched my channel, I didn't wait around. I started uploading just a few days after creating it, and within 2 weeks, I was already getting millions of views. So yes, you can start from scratch. Here's the real secret. Stop obsessing over niches and start focusing on what's already working. Go on YouTube and look at what's blowing up right now. Viral videos are proof that people want that content, and you can use them as a blueprint. Take one of those trending videos, load up CapCut, and recreate it in your own way. Don't just copy, make it fresh. Switch up the clips, keep the same pacing and structure, and give it your own touch. The key is making something that feels original, but still has that viral DNA. Once it's done, drop in a clean text overlay, add a small watermark, and boom, you've got your first video ready. Start uploading daily. That consistency compounds fast. And if you ever get stuck for ideas, open YouTube in an incognito tab. That way, you see what's actually popular worldwide instead of what's personalized for you. It's like having an endless feed of proven concepts. Now, here's where things get really powerful. If your channel isn't monetized yet, don't panic. Repurpose that same content onto TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat Spotlight. Use automation tools to upload across all platforms with almost no extra effort. Then, link your accounts together so that every view, every follower, and every share pushes traffic back to your YouTube channel. What happens next? You unlock monetization on not just one platform, but across multiple, meaning your income doesn't just double, it multiplies. So don't overcomplicate this. Start with a new account, ride the wave of viral trends, upload daily, and spread your content everywhere. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at how fast the numbers and the money start to snowball. Good luck, and I'll see you on the creator's side.